Hey there. Okay, so my name's Ashley. I am a realtor and a digital marketer recently. And one of the tips and tricks that I have come across that helps me tremendously with my realtor and digital marketing business is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an amazing tool. Just a few years ago, I was introduced to ChatGPT through some people in the real estate world, and we looked at it as having basically a virtual assistant. So a lot of people hear the word ChatGPT and virtual assistant and what's it called? AI, right? And they think scary thoughts. But I was told how to utilize AI, ChatGPT, in an administrative way. So let me give you an example. Again, my name's Ashley. I'm a realtor broker recently, and I just bought a digital marketing business. And these are some of the tools that I use to help me facilitate and master my 2 hour workday and work fast and manage my time daily. So this is ChatGPT. Now there are prompts that are in here, and so if you're really techie and you really want to spend the time to take a look at what it is that's in here, these are amazing tools and prompts because that is what it is that you're doing. You are prompting ChatGPT to act as someone and to create something that you need. So I've got two examples for you today. First of all, I'm going to show you what it is that I do as a realtor, right? So I'm going to tell ChatGPT down here at the bottom in the search bar, act as a realtor, create an email summarizing my fiduciary duties to the buyers, right, in a professional tone. All right. Oh, I misspelled fiduciary. Let me get that fixed real quick. Okay. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to simply hit the enter button, and then it's going to create me this incredible email. And this email, it's not something that I'm just going to go copy and paste, but it definitely gives me a guideline and a nice flow, if you will, right? A nice understanding of what it is that I do for you as an agent. So let's read that together. Watch this, you guys. Subject: understanding your realtor fiduciary's duties. Dear buyer name, I hope this message finds you well. As your realtor, I'm committed to providing you with the highest level of service and care throughout your home buying journey. It is important for you to understand the fiduciary duties I owe to you as my client. These duties are the cornerstone of my professional relationship with you and are designed to protect your best interests. Number one, loyalty. I will act in your best interest at all times, putting your needs above all others, including my own. Number two, confidentiality. All information you share with me must be kept confidential. This includes financial details, personal preferences, and any other sensitive information that could impact your negotiation position. Number three, disclosure. I am obligated to disclose all material facts that could affect your decision-making process. This includes information about the property, market conditions, and any potential conflicts of interest. Obedience. I will follow your lawful instructions to the letter, provided they are within the bounds of the law and ethical guidelines. Number five, accounting. I will be an accurate record of all funds trusted to me and ensure they are properly accounted for. Reasonable care and diligence are number six. I will use my expertise and knowledge to ensure that all aspects of your real estate transaction are handled with the utmost care and professionalism. This includes conducting thorough market research, advising you on property conditions, and negotiating the best possible terms on your behalf. My goal is to make your home buying experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. Should you have any questions or require further clarification about these duties, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you for entrusting me with the important milestone in your life. I look forward to working closely with you to find your perfect home. Warm regards, your full name, your real estate license number, your brokerage firm, contact information, and website URL. Wow. Is that not amazing? This tool, ChatGPT, is something that I look to partner with every day. I mean, it helps me just to get through my day so much more quickly because I don't spend ridiculous amount of times doing something that my skill set's not good at. I already know that I do not have a good skill set with administrative work. So when I'm utilizing ChatGPT, it's simply to help me speed the process along, get past what it is that I know how to communicate with the person that I'm working with, but it does so in just a really nice, uniform, beautiful way. Now, since I am a digital marketer, I'm going to give you a digital marketing perspective to help you see how I utilize this in my digital marketing business. So I'm going to act as a copywriter. Go down here. I just went up here to ChatGPT to do a new chat, right? Because here's my realtor fiduciary duties. Now I'm going to go up here to do a new chat. I have my new bar down here, and let's see. So act as a copywriter. Create 10 headlines explaining digital marketing and using digital products to have an online income for busy moms who want to provide for their family. Tell this in an engaging way and let's hit the word enter and see what happens. Oh, I've got one misspelling. Let me go correct that real quick. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Sure, here are 10 engaging headlines tailored for busy moms who want to use digital marketing and products to generate online income. Now, this is for my people who need to have help with content ideas, right? Content ideas to me seem to be where I struggle. And it's not that I necessarily struggle. It's just I always like to be having new information and new content ideas. So when I start my week and I decide to do maybe 6 or 7 videos per session, I want some cool headlines. That way I'm speaking to a perfect audience, right? My perfect audience. So here's 10 guides. Here's 10 engaging headlines. Unlock your earning potential. Digital marketing for busy moms. From diapers to dollars, how digital products can transform your family's future. Mompreneur magic. Create an income online while caring for your family. Turn nap time into profit time. Ooh, that's a good one. Easy digital marketing tips for mom. Digital dreams, how busy moms can thrive with an online business. The ultimate guide for moms, earning online while managing family life. Balance baby business. Simple digital marketing strategies for moms. From playdates to paydays. Building an online income stream as a mom. Smart moms, smart money. Start your digital marketing journey today. Mommy millionaire. Achieve financial freedom with digital products. What? Are you kidding me? I'm about to take all of these prompts and these engaging headlines, and I'm going to utilize those in my content today. So I hope you learned something excellent from me. Listen, ChatGPT can be looked at as a benefit to your business, help you to perform mundane tasks in a much more simple, professional way. So thank you for your time. Simply go to dailywealthonline.com, subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in learning a done for you, done with you digital marketing business, simply go to dailywealthonline.com, enter your email, watch the videos, come take a look at what it is and change your reality.